Have you ever paused to consider who ensures that life-saving medication reaches its destination on time? Let's shine a spotlight on the unsung heroes of healthcare, the medical courier drivers. They tirelessly weave through our cities and towns, delivering vital medical supplies from daily prescriptions to critical organ transplants. Unseen, they help keep the wheels of our healthcare system turning, ensuring that life-saving aid reaches those in need. Without their important work, the healthcare industry would be at a standstill. Consider a typical day for Jane, a medical courier driver. As the sun peaks over the horizon, Jane is already on the move. Her first task? To receive the delivery request. Whether it's a life-saving medication or routine prescription, each delivery carries its own set of unique requirements. Jane's attention to detail is crucial here. She verifies the information, ensuring that every detail is accurate. From the patient's name and address to the type of medication, its storage requirements, everything must be perfect. A minor mistake could mean a major health risk for the patient waiting on the other end. Next, Jane ensures proper handling and temperature control for the different types of medication. Some require refrigeration, others need to be kept at room temperature. There's no room for error. It's a delicate balance, but one Jane navigates with skill and precision. Once everything's in order, Jane hits the road. Time is of the essence, especially when delivering to patients who rely on these medications for their survival. She navigates traffic, weather, and unforeseen obstacles, all with one goal in mind: delivering the medication on time. Now, imagine the relief on the recipient's face when Jane arrives. The medication they've been anxiously waiting for is finally in their hands. It's an emotional moment, a testament to the importance of Jane's work. Jane's story is not unique. It's a day in the life of every medical courier driver. But why does this matter? Why should you care about medical courier services, you might ask? Well, let's circle back to the key points we've discussed. Remember our friend Jane, the medical courier driver? She's not just a delivery person. She's a vital part of the healthcare industry, a cog in a much larger machine that keeps us all healthy. Every day, Jane and countless others like her ensure the prompt delivery of vital medications. This isn't just about convenience. It's about patient outcomes. It's about getting life-saving drugs to patients when they need them, not when it's too late. Their work also contributes to a more efficient healthcare system. By bridging the gap between pharmacies, clinics, and patients, they help streamline the process, making sure that no time is wasted and everyone gets the care they need. So the next time you see a courier driver, remember, they could be delivering more than just packages. They could be delivering life.